showing off Courier's brand new Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The Courier MCP allows you to give your AI agents very useful tools like sending messages, getting users, and even installation guides for adding Courier products to your app. To get started, we recommend that you create a new API key. For this example, I'm going to be adding Courier MCP to Cursor, but you can use whichever agent works best for your case. Now, I'm going to show you how to add Courier Inbox to a brand new Next.js app without writing a single line of code. In Cursor, I'm going to open up the chat panel and paste this prompt in. This prompt will add Courier Inbox, use a testing JWT, configure the page nicely, and remove all the unneeded code. Let's run it. You can see here that Cursor found the proper Courier MCP installation guide. Perfect. Looks like it's ready to use. Let's take a look at what the agent made. Sweet. We have a Courier Inbox ready to go. The only problem is there's no messages. So let's send a message to ourselves. Now I'm going to say, send a message to this user and use Courier Inbox as the channel. All right, message sent. If we go back and look at our app, you can see we have a new message, all without needing to write a single line of code. And that's Courier's MCP. For more information, check out courier.com/docs.